thanks for coming, boss.
It's alright. This, I just watched your latest video on this.
On this?
It's boring. You know why?
Why?
Because I ain't in it. Why are you doing videos without me? I said to you, wait, I'll be there shortly, I'll be there.
No,
you can't wait, can
I
you?
said, come over, we need to shoot a video, and you went, I can't be bothered.
I didn't say I can't be
You
bothered.
said you couldn't be bothered. I think you were watching, like, Emmerdale with the missus or something.
Yeah, but I have to do things like that, don't I?
Okay, you had to do that. You had to watch Emmerdale, and I wanted to talk about this car because I kind of like it, boss.
Anyway.
Still not run it though, because it's raining outside. It's going to get muddy.
I find it quite an interesting concept. I have never seen a chassis like that before. I mean, I don't, look at a lot of these short course type trucks anyway, but it looks like it's going to go okay.
It does. But what I want to talk about today, not about this car, but yes about this car, it's about these. We are fans of FASTRAX.
Yes,
now,
we are.
can you remember we used to run the, what was it, the Corrali Radix and the Corrali Maraca.
Yeah.
And we bought some new tyres for them, didn't we?
We did, yeah.
The FASTRAX tyres, and they were amazing.
Yes.
FASTRAX do a whole range of tyres for short course trucks.
Yeah.
And they're all different, but I don't know what the difference are.
Do you know what I like about them whilst you get them? I like the fact that they are very, very cheap, and I don't think we've replaced the tyres on either of those big cars, have we? Because we race on grass anyway, and they haven't flown off the rims or anything. And I just think they're great tyres.
Good. But they do loads of different ones for short course trucks. So I thought what I'd do is I'll get a few because I like my short course truck racing, and I'll experiment with them. So I've got those ones.
Yeah.
Got these ones.
Right. You got the round ones, and then you got the other round ones.
Yeah. I've got these black ones.
The black round ones. Yeah.
And I've got these ones here as well.
Another black round ones.
There you go. Look at that.
Okay. All right. Well,
so
what's the difference?
I don't know. I haven't even looked. I've not even opened them yet. Should we open some and have a look at them? So these ones here are the Stingers.
Oh, the Stingers.
The Stingers. What have you got there?
Eagle.
You got Eagles, and then these ones.
Oh, okay, Eagle. They look like road tyres.
And these ones are the Zigzags. So we've got Zigzags, Stingers, and Eagles.
Where's the other sets then?
Huh?
So you got. I don't get it. You've only got two in these.
What do you mean?
Well, they're road tyres.
No, right. These ones are the Eagles,
Yeah.
and these are for a slash. Now, for anyone that doesn't know, a slash is
Well, it does.
the
It means
Traxxas.
something a little bit different in the UK.
It does,
to
but
be fair.
in the RC world, the slash is a Traxxas slash, which is a two-wheel drive.
We don't have any Traxxas things on here, do we?
I know, but these are front wheels. It says front there.
Oh right.
And to complement that, I've got the slash rear wheels, which are the Zigzags. So I've got a front set and a back
this
set.
is two-wheel drive.
Yeah, and then for the four-wheel drive, I've got two sets of Stingers, which can be going front and back. But do you know what? They've got quite. They have got some punch to them, haven't they?
I'm getting notes of rubber.
I'm getting a little bit of welly.
A little bit of welly boot.
A little bit of Johnny. It's somewhere between Welly and Johnny. But it's
Welly and Johnny.
yeah. The thing is, if you go too Johnny, it's a bit soft, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But it's got a nice firm insert in that.
Does.
So yeah. So I'm gonna have a little play with different tyres.
I would.
So they're my Stingers. Oh, where are those Eagles? The Eagle ones. They look good. I want to open the Eagles.
Are they really going to be interested in us just pulling out tyres and sniffing them. Oh, they look good. They look like real, like road, like I like the tread on them.
Yeah, they look.
Hang on. What are you getting on that one?
I'm getting primary school plimsoll.
Primary school plimsoll. Remember them?
Yeah, they're all black, but they've got the like the beige rubber on.
Yeah, I used to get my primary school plimsolls from Woolworths. Woolworths.
Now that is a block. Woolworths used to be just down the road from BT's.
Yeah, I used to get 7 inches from there. Do you remember the 7 inches?
No.
Get your 7 inches from there. You used to get your 7 inches from there.
No idea what you're on about.
You know, you're 7 inches.
No.
Not 4 inches, like you're thinking about. 7 inches. Vinyl. In fact, the last song I ever bought before Woolworths closed was Last Christmas by Wham.
Wowee. Do you know, I remember buying my Commodore 16 and Commodore 64 cassettes.
Oh, yeah,
from
I remember that. You used to
Woolworths.
You used to put them in the tape machine and it used to squeal at you and make all funny noises when it loaded up.
It did indeed.
Those were the days, weren't they?
Quite impressed with those.
They actually, it's almost like a real tyre. It's very, very scaled by the look of that. Anyway, but yeah, then,
It's too noisy.
nothing wrong with it.
There you are, boss. Try a zigzag.
Do you know what I'm getting notes of?
This is a little bit
Freshly
harder.
laid tarmac or asphalt, if you're in
I was going to
America.
say, it's got a harder... It feels harder. It's got a slightly different...
There's no Johnny in that one.
No Johnny whatsoever. That is... I get what you're saying about tarmac. But... Do you know what? That actually smells like a proper tyre. A proper car tyre I'm getting.
Do you go around sniffing them as well then?
Only when I go to Costco.
You got thrown out of there for doing that,
I
though,
did.
didn't you?
Yeah.
Or were you sniffing the Johnnies?
No, I wasn't sniffing the Johnny. So
You're not a Johnny. You're not a Johnny sniffer.
I'm not a Johnny sniffer.
Because that would be. Imagine if you did that. Imagine if you went into like a chemist and did that. You would definitely get thrown out of there for that. Never ever do that.
I won't.
Please don't. Anyway, right, back to business.
Back to
so
it's kind of cool, really.
wonderful, nice.
It's nice that we have options for our tyres. We talk about tyre prep quite a lot when we're racing, don't we? With the
Well, it's really important, isn't it? You know, people go on about car setup here, car setup there. Well, there's two fundamental factors about driving cars well. Number one is learning how to drive, right? And number two is the contact between the surface of whatever your car is going on and the tyre itself. So, yeah, it's mega important.
So I thought, because I've never really played around with tyres for any of my short course trucks, and seeing as I've got so many, I thought, treat yourself. Treat yourself. And the beauty about the FASTRAX stuff is it's so affordable.
Yep, absolutely right. So, if you want some FASTRAX tyres, the link is in the description below. But also, we actually need to get out and have a play with this car, don't we, and stuff.
On another note, if I did, for example, want to take a short course truck to the Truck Nationals next year, I'm not going to be able to run FASTRAX tyres there. What tyres do racers use?
Just drop your tyre.
Just drop my tyre. What tyres do racers use on short course trucks?
Yeah, I think that's about it for this video. So, nothing else to really go... Hey, do you know what we've got to go and do now? Prep our cars for the up-and-coming races we've got. So, and it's raining outside, so today's the best day to do it.
And that's why we're knocking out a few videos in the studio in one hit, because the weather is rubbish. Do check out our website, our merch and all those other things. And hopefully we'll see you trackside soon.